wouldn't lie to you. Doesn't matter what I do, she's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country.
Oh, may lakad na naman, Master, ah. Saan tayo ngayon?
Let's go Katmon.
Katmon na naman?
Katmon with the family.
Kakaibang Katmon nga kasi marami
maleta.
kami.
May maleta.
O may maleta, ibig sabihin may ibang kasama na bago.
Pero tingnan natin kung sino.
Secret muna.
Secret muna.
Tingnan natin yung kabilang kotse. Ready na?
Yeah.
Ugly.
Hindi pa kami ready.
Sama si Ugly. Naman.
Iwan, mami.
Si Day may iwan yan eh. Hindi kasama.
Ang bag mo aban dyan, bag mo.
Where's your bag?
Ba,
Aba.
say hi first.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Ikaw, okay ka na, Dek? Aba, say hi.
Hi to the camera.
Maya pa. Naman, where you going?
Camping.
Camping and fishing? Let's go.
Hello. You're a dinosaur.
Baby.
Dito na naman tayo. In another camping vlog. Uy, pwede pala dito, oh. Kahoy. They're gonna buy kahoy.
What kahoy?
Say kahoy.
What kahoy?
They're gonna buy kahoy nga. Hi! Kuya Eman, say hi!
Pwede mo mapabili ng Coke?
Say hi naman.
Wala kaming pera.
Saan dito?
Wala kaming pera pambili ng Coke.
Kunin nyo nga sa akin. Akin na.
Casey!
Bili niya akong Coke.
bilihan ng kahoy. What are they buying? Say kahoy.
Kaoy?
Kahoy.
What kaoy?
Say they're buying kahoy.
Bakery 1 mo. Natabunan na.
Ay, whose cup is this?
Aman.
Ah, is this mine? Oh,
Aman.
it's mine. Oh,
No, this yours.
see?
No.
No? Ay, baby, it's Casey.
No, this yours.
Oh, no, this is Eman. Eman, wear it. Eman. See? Diba?
No.
Oh.
Aman
See?
said
Well,
that.
Eman's wearing that now.
No.
Ginagawa, pwede pong patulong daw po dito.
Okay.
Aman yours.
Nagkakarga po sila ng kahoy.
Okay po.
Kamusta yung makabalik, pre?
Sarap sa feeling.
Oh, di ba?
Ilang
Return.
buwan din na hindi nakabalik dito. Tapos
Oo nga.
kasama ko pa to.
First time.
Hi. Are you happy?
Ikaw. Ay, boring. Pumayag sila dyan daw tayo.
Saan?
Pero mamaya pa daw eh.
Dito?
Sa 2.
Sa 2? Ano oras daw sila?
Ano yung pre?
Ayan na, sasayaw
Go,
na
sagap,
yan.
sagap, go!
Away bate.
Go!
Part 1.
Go! Sagap!
Yan, kay Para nag-iigib. Ay, dali.
This more.
Oh, say it first.
Oh, this.
Oh, say it first.
Say it first, dali. Say mo muna.
Aba, say first. Hi guys.
Dali. Sus na yan.
Yeah. Amari! For the vlog, say hi. Shh! Amari! Say hi to the vlog. Wow.
Hindi niya alam kung ano yan eh.
Ano day, madali ba?
Oo, madali na.
Ganito ang struggle. Struggle is real.
Ay, nako, anti ka sa mundo.
First time.
Nakabili kay Lanzones.
Mike, saan ba pinaurot yung ano? Sinabi kay Babes eh. Kasi
Mag-hi ka muna, ma.
nayaya mo si si Jed. Mike.
Mag-hi ka muna.
Ha?
Hi.
Oh, hi. Hello.
Where are you today?
I'm glad to be joining this campsite. Camping. So we have a nice small house here.
Kabinti?
Facing the
Facing the lake.
And we have a pool down there.
Mm.
So we just arrived. And it's a nice place.
Okay. Kumain kayo ng lunch? Ano yan, Jollibee?
Jollibee. There's a Jollibee. We
Well,
are
we have
in
plenty of food,
camping site of Jollibee.
Mike, we have plenty of food.
Say hi.
Hello.
Kanila. Hi!
Pakarga pa. Hindi niya kita.
Ay, Ava! Madulas pala dito.
Wait, tanto may vlog.
Sinabi niya yun kanina eh. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Oo. Siya ang sasabihin ko kay Mike, siya yung gawing intro.
Manang-mana.
Sabi ko nga din eh. Go, let's go, let's go. Come here, bye-bye. Come here. Casey. Ah, come here.
Get it, boy.
Uy, sleepy. Monk.
Sila isang demonyo?
Sir, ano plano, sir?
Lulutuin natin ating liempo gamit ang ating BioLite.
Ang aming paboritong gadget sa camping. Sir,
Let's
parang bago tong lugar mo ah. Usually, hindi ka naman nag-ano dito ah.
Binigay sa atin to ni kaibigang
Si Albert.
Albert.
Secret Albert.
Pero hindi secreto lang yan. Albert ang pangalan.
Hello!
Oh.
Hi!
Ano, Chaps? Camper ka na ba? Hindi, scammer ka lang eh. Hindi ka naman camper eh.
Sabi nga niya, may mga tumatalon lang. Ayun na yung mga flying things.
O, tingnan mo. Ayan yung mga flying things. Social ka, sir? May pool ka na ngayon?
Yes, sir. Tingnan mo naman ang view natin, sir.
Oo nga.
Mount Makili.
Partita, may bagyo pa yan.
May bagyo pa yan bukas. Ingat mga taga Manila dyan.
Enjoy sa rally. Bakit may pool ka na ngayon? Hindi kayo ba ni Sir Albert yan?
Welcome to my pool, guys.
Usually, hindi naman tayo dito ah.
Eh, may kasama tayong special, kaya nasa special house tayo.
May kasama, ayun, yung dalawang yun.
Maswerte tayo at meron tayong labesa ngayon.
Mukhang hindi ka na daw magugas ng pinggan ngayon ah.
Thank you, Lord.
Sir,
Ito taga-ugas eh.
hindi ka na daw magugas ng pinggan ngayon, sir ah.
Diyan na si Betty, tsaka si Dekdek. Naalala ko dati.
Oo, bibit-bit ka parang ano eh.
Swerte si sir, pero yung rad, sir. Swerte ba?
Kailan wala akong masyadong gagawin, no? Ngayon pa ako hindi pwede mag-beer. Sir. Sir, ano pong masasabi nyo sa camping?
Hindi, pasok ka doon. Videoan mo yung mga bata mamaya.
Sorry, bye. Can I come in? Can I come in? Go inside. Go. Can I come in? No? Ayaw akong papasukin eh. Dali! I'm gonna go inside. I will make you repeat what you said in the vlog. Come here. Say.
Hey guys.
Louder. Say. Hi guys. Yeah.
With energy, Yaba.
Louder.
Hi, guys.
You look at mommy. Look at mommy. How mommy? Show them.
Hi, guys. Welcome to my vlog.
See? Dali. You.
No, hindi ko nasabi.
Say hi guys. Welcome to my vlog. Sus. Ikaw din. Say hi guys. Welcome to my vlog.
Hi guys.
Again. Parang nagchachacha ah. Come here. Say hi guys. Hi guys.
Flying kiss.
Flying kiss nga.
Flying kiss.
Sus.
Ano ba yung pakahangin ko? Yan na yan. Ay, isa pa.
Sige lang. Hello. Hi guys. Oh, hi guys. Hi.
Yan na, mabangon na. Ano yun? Ganyan na lang. Pretty girl. Hi guys!
Ganyan talaga pag matanda, no? Yung mga ama.
Alam nyo na. Oh.
Aman, what are you doing? You're already cooking your barbecue.
Yummy! Go there. Flying kiss. Naman, go there.
Wow! Nakuha. Oo, kuha. Say hi.
Again. Flying kiss.
Wow! Good job! Kuha yun. Papa-edit. Yan o.
Cheers.
Yes, sir. Kamusta, sir?
Ito, pa-chill-chill lang muna tayo kasi habang nag-iiyaw.
Iba na yung ano namin ngayon.
May mani pa kayo dun ah.
Sementado na yung ano, grounds namin.
Oo nga.
Ito mo naman.
Ito, cheers.
Madalas ginagawa na yan sa dabuhan lang ah. Yan.
Cheers.
Ano kayo ngayon? Nag-upgrade kayo ngayon. Ano ba yan? May insekto sa loob ng t-shirt ko.
Wala.
Ipis yata yun
Wala. Ay, grasshopper. Pag ganun kalamig.
Oh, you sit down there, oh. Interview daw with Doris Bigornia. Sit down there.
Doris the Explorer.
Sit down ka dali. Oh, what can you say? Oh, what will you say? You say, hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Dali.
Go.
You said it na kanina inside eh. No? Why not?
Shy?
You're shy pa? Ay! Paano yan? Shy pala yan.
Oh my guys.
You show, Daddy will show you. Oh, how?
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog!
Ah. And Kuya Eman, say hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Ah. You naman. No? Shy pa din? The whole family said it na eh. Oh, tas hindi naman umiikot yung meat.
Sunog naman.
Layuan mo, love yung tiyan ko.
Say hi guys.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! Daddy, ay layuan mo ng kaunti.
Video lang ako konti.
Daddy, luto na yata. Ano ka ba?
Ikaw din, hi guys.
Hi vlog.
Timo.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Casey, say hi guys.
Ugly, welcome to the ugly.
Welcome the dinosaur.
Guaranteed yan, sir. Guaranteed. Yun.
Bite taste first.
Up.
Mamaya na.
Kailangan nyo ba?
Hindi, wala yung ibang plato.
Kailangan nyo?
Sabihin ko lang kung kaso.
Ay, dali mo na dun.
Wala kasi iba eh. Ipa ka natin ha.
Oo, sige.
Called me.
Kailangan ko pa ng kalamansi.
Hingi ka dun.
May sili
Ano,
ba dun?
bet?
Hindi.
Kalamansi.
Hindi, dadaling ko na dun. Oo, dadaling ko na lang. Doon ko na gagawin. Tapos, ang tawag nito? Kalimutan ko na. May sili din kaya dun.
Maybe. Bet, may sili? Wala.
Kasi kung wala, meron akong chili powder.
Boring. Sili is the right way. Sige, patikman mo.
Oh, tikman mo.
Ano mas masarap?
Ano muna to?
Walang sili.
Walang sili.
Sarap.
Sarap sa lempo niyan.
Nilak-lak no.
Ito.
Naku mo, ano na yan, madumi na. Naniniday. Parang parehas lang eh.
Sarap din.
Ano mas masarap?
Hindi,
Yung una
para
pa. Ay, yung una yung mas type ko
Yung
eh.
mas gusto nyo, hindi ko lalagyan ng sili. Yung ayaw nyo, yun yung lalagyan ko.
Okay lang naman may sili sa pero ito
sige.
Magugustuhan ni Madam.
Sige, ito na lang lalagyan ko ng sili.
Puto na violet at saka white. Hindi lahat day ah.
Talaga hamper to si Joy.
Kaya nga eh. Max.
Hi. Hello, this is our first night.
Shalom, shalom.
Bukas pa niya maibabalik pa.
Juana, your pritong bass. Nahuli niya to. Kaya kanya yan.
Nakailin agad. Okay, so,
Presidente.
hindi yun counted. Hindi counted.
Dito kami mag-chill. Kita niyo yung ano. Ito yung kasagsagan. Minando. Ito yung ito ang result. Nanando yung kanyang tent. Yung ano lang naman, naputol talaga. Oh, yung rod lang naman yan. Ito. Yung connector. Yung connector lang. Ayan o, talagang grabe. Dalawang connector pa. Putol talaga. Oo. Sir, pwede pa ba yan, sir?
Pwede pa to. Kahit dumugo ng aking mga daliri.
Ang daming ano dito, pre, ah. Donate dito sa camping session na to, pre, ah. Nagkanda malas-malas. Pero bukas, mag-iba na yung swerte mo, pre.
Sana nga.
Oo, iba na talaga.
Kumbaga, may araw talaga eh.
May pagsubok lang.
Oo, pagsubok lang to.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Say hi.
Sana suot mo yung kanina, no?
Say hi.
Hindi naman nasa-expect eh.
Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Hi. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Wow.
Again. Language. Where's your nose? Where's your ears? Where's your head?
So, what can you say? What can look at the camera? It's an interview. What can you say about the place? Are you happy? Yeah? Do you like it here? Say, hi guys, I like it here. Really? No. No. Huwag ka na shy. It's just a video. Go, hi guys. Many times. Welcome to our vlog. Louder so they can hear you.
The last dinner. Ganito pa yung nangyari. Balaw.
May dala si Dana.
Flashlight
Fish oil.
dinner.
Kunel. Wow. May dala siya.
Flashlight dinner.
Day? Where's Day?
Nasa loob po yata.
Hindi kayo na isa tonight.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Let's go. Woo! Siyempre, lalanda natin yan. Bro!
Hi guys po muna.
Hi guys!